Hello everyone. Today we are going to be going through chapter 10 for my PC Pro certification for system implementation. As you guys can see, I have all of my notes on my OneNote, which will be linked in my Wix website, as it always is. I'm also done with 11, but I'm going to make that vlog next. And I'm currently going through 12. But I'm just going to go through real quick and talk to you guys a little bit about Chapter 10. So Chapter 10 was on system implementation. Went through like always, had videos, took some notes, learned about some RAM and CPU stuff, learned about different graphics stuff, um, how different computers have different types of processing in them. Um, we went through a lot of installation stuff with Windows. We did a couple labs on just like literally um, installing Windows, going through and making sure that we had all of our system settings and stuff like that done. Um, it was a nice one. Honestly, I enjoyed chapter 10. Um, the labs were not that hard to do as long as you paid attention to the videos, and the practice questions and stuff were pretty easy too. Um, as always, all of my practice questions will have Quizlets linked to them so that you can go through and check those out for the questions so you can study them for the final test. We did some stuff with creating virtual hard disks too, um, in 10.5, which was really fun. Honestly, you got to go in and create them and then go through all the settings and stuff and make sure that they were set up. You had to create two. Um, yeah, uh, it was really fun. Like I said, I really did enjoy this lab. So if I go to 10 point, so this one. So it says for this one, you have to install Hyper-V at IT admin. You're experimenting with some virtual hard disks. In this lab, you're going to create two virtual hard disks in the directory for Hyper-V virtual hard disks. Name them test 1, test 2. These are your different formats and stuff that you're going to do. So if I start the lab real quick, uh, let it load up for a sec. Scooch this over a bit, click this. So when we get into the lab, you're gonna want to go click the start button, do Windows. So I just went in and I typed in Hyper-V Manager. So you're gonna go down to IT admin, right click that, and you're gonna click New and click Hard Disk because you were creating hard disks. So then you're gonna click the next button, Disk Format. For disk format, they wanted VHD. So click VHD, click next. For disk type, they want fixed size. That's already selected, so you're going to click next. For the name, this one's name is test1.vhd. So delete that. Test1.vhd. Make sure that it is in the right location. Click the next button. And for this one, create a blank one. For the size, you're going to want 500, that's 5,000, sorry, 500 gigabytes. Then click the summary real quick just to make sure. Yeah, so it should be good. So then we're going to click finish. And then we're gonna go to the second one, click new, click hard disk. Then you're gonna go to disk format. This one you want VHDX. You want dynamic expanding. You want it to be called test 2. And you want your size to be 4096. Click that finish button again, and then you score the lab. And yay, we got it done. We got all the points. So yeah, basically that was just one of the labs that we did. But like I said, pretty easy labs. Everything was pretty nice. As long as you watched these videos before and stuff, you were good to go. Everything was nice. Read through everything. But yeah, so I hope you guys liked going through this with me. Like I said before, everything in my Wix website, you can find this video, or you can find it on my YouTube channel. If you're on my Wix website, my YouTube channel is in the bottom lower bar. If you're on my YouTube channel, my Wix website is in my bio on my YouTube channel. Go check it out. On my Wix website, I have a lot more videos, and on my YouTube channel for this for previous vlogs of PC Pro. I also have stuff for my other classes on my Wix website, like my computer science software engineering class, um, all the way back to my intro to computer science class. And I have stuff for cybersecurity. I have stuff for some of the programming I've done. But yeah, I hope you go through and enjoy some of that stuff. See you guys.